So, what's the secret to learning languages easily and naturally like a child? Before I tell you the answer to that question, let me tell you about something that Dr. Wilder Penfield found out during brain surgery. Dr. Penfield was a famous neurosurgeon. When some of his patients were completely unconscious during brain surgery, they started talking about their childhood memories in detail. When the patients became conscious after the surgery, they couldn't remember any of the things they were talking about. But when they checked on the facts, the things they were talking about really had happened many years ago, in their childhood, even though they weren't consciously aware of them. A child's brain absorbs all the information it receives without filtering or judgment, without logically analyzing or evaluating them. All that information gets stored in the child's subconscious mind. Children accept that information as facts without a question. Their brain is an open door to their subconscious mind. That's why every sound that they hear is stored in their subconscious mind as is, without any distortion or omission. A child's brain can hear and store subtle differences in sounds. And since all of those variations are stored in their subconscious mind, they can repeat them back naturally and effortlessly. But as children grow up, something starts to happen. At around the ages of 7 to 9, the human brain starts developing a logical mind. It basically develops a filtering and classifying ability that filters and analyzes the information it receives. This logical mind gets stronger and stronger as we grow up, so it filters and classifies more of what we hear. Here's an example. For example, if there's no voiced TH sound in your native language, as in the words that or those, as an adult, your logical mind may try to filter and classify it as the closest sound it can find in your subconscious mind, based on your childhood experiences. So it may consider it as dat and doze with D, instead of that and those with TH. That's why it's tougher for adults to learn to speak English fluently and with a proper accent. Because they've developed a logical mind that constantly filters and classifies sounds based on childhood experiences. Of course, one way to get through this filter of the logical mind is to practice. But when you're an adult, it takes an enormous amount of practice to get through this filter. It may take many, many years of intense practice. It's like trying to get through a thick concrete wall using an ice pick. And even after all that practice, you cannot speak like a native speaker. That invisible barrier that separates you from the native speakers is still there. Even after years of conscious practice, every time you're emotional or not fully in control, your brain reverts back to your childhood subconscious mind on autopilot, and you lose your English. You go back to having a heavy foreign accent. So your English is not natural and effortless like a native speaker. It's conscious and forced. This happens when your English is not deep-seated in your subconscious mind like a child. But what if you could bypass your logical mind and its filters and open the door to your subconscious mind again, like a child, and then impress your subconscious mind with English words? That way you could learn English exactly like a child. Your subconscious mind would hear and learn all the sounds with their subtle differences and the English words as they are, without filtering. And after a while, you'll start speaking naturally and effortlessly because it will come from your subconscious mind. You can do that by using a very special set of audios. These audios use a scientific and powerful method to shut down your logical mind. After getting the logical mind out of the way, these audios open up your subconscious mind to accept and store English words and phrases with proper pronunciations. It's amazing because these audios use a smart and unique method to plant proper pronunciations of English words in the deepest levels of your subconscious mind. These audios walk you through step-by-step instructions and use a wave technology that puts you in a state of deep relaxation. And when the deepest level is reached, your logical mind is shut down and your subconscious mind is wide open. They communicate important English words and phrases with proper pronunciation to your subconscious mind. It's like removing the blocks and filters from your brain and then pouring English words and phrases right into your subconscious mind during deep relaxation. So the proper pronunciation of English words reaches the deepest level of your subconscious mind, and you learn exactly like a child. After using these audios, after a while, some people may start having dreams in the English language, where they hear or speak English words with flawless pronunciation. That shows that the English words have been planted in their subconscious mind successfully. Or after a while, some people suddenly start using words and phrases naturally and effortlessly. After using these audios, after a while, English words and phrases keep getting stored in and saturate your subconscious mind. And at some point, they percolate up to your conscious mind, and you start saying the right phrases with flawless pronunciations effortlessly and without even realizing it. This is sometimes called the incubation period. And the great thing about it is that these sessions are completely effortless, just like how children learn languages. There are no conventional tiring practice sessions. In fact, these audios induce a deep relaxation or even a shallow sleep state of mind, so you listen to them effortlessly and passively as you're resting. In the standard methods in classes, they break down phrases into words. Then they tell you how to pronounce each word and what grammar rules you should follow to make sentences. Really? Do you seriously think kids learn their native English like that? That's the reductionist method. If you learn English like that, your English will always be broken and choppy, like a robot. Native speakers never say, "This is a book," like a robot would say. They say the entire sentence as if it's one connected whole, like, "This is a book." Kids don't even know grammar rules. They say English phrases as a whole. That's why you too should pick up English in a holistic way at a subconscious level. But there's more. Another great thing that is very unique to these audios only is the music or the melody of the language. Every language has a melody and music. Sometimes you can recognize a language by its rhythm and music, even if you don't understand the words. For example, the melody of the Italian language sounds like this.
Buongiorno, come ti chiami? Io mi chiamo Maria.
Or French, like this.
Bonjour, tu t'appelles comment? Moi, je m'appelle Marie.
Children pick up this melody at a very young age and subconsciously, without even knowing what the words or phrases mean. Speaking American English with the right rhythm and melody is extremely important when you want to talk like a native. And that's what's so great about these audios. Because they work at a subconscious level, you naturally pick up the melody and the music of American English subconsciously. Just like when you start humming a song throughout the day after you've heard it on the radio. You pick it up without even realizing. So here's what you get. 10 audio sessions which program your subconscious mind with American English conversations exactly the way Americans talk. You'll also get audio sessions on very important sounds like voiced and unvoiced TH. You'll even get special sessions that program your subconscious mind with sounds like glottal T and schwa. These sounds are specific only to native speakers of American English. But now you can program your subconscious mind with those sounds to speak like a native. And the great thing about them is that you can relax or even sleep to these audios when your subconscious mind is being programmed. This is the only program out there that offers so much at a deep subconscious level. But there's even more. These audios come with a personalized plan, especially designed for you based on your native language. People with different backgrounds have different problems when it comes to removing their accent. For example, native Spanish speakers should focus more on a certain set of sounds, and maybe native Arabic speakers on a different set of sounds. This audio set program generates the best plan for you. You enter your native language in the system, and this program generates a personalized plan just for you. A step-by-step plan that tells you exactly which sounds you should focus on to remove your accent. These steps come with instructions, audios, and videos that show you where your problem areas are and how to fix them both consciously and subconsciously. So many language backgrounds are covered. Spanish, Arabic, Indian languages, Farsi, French, Chinese, Japanese, Korean, Russian, German, Filipino, and many more. You can get a personal plan, even if your specific language is not mentioned. But there's even more. These audios come with a special ebook that tells you about the tips and best rules to follow to pick up American accent faster. It also tells you which mistakes to avoid. Most classes and courses teach students the wrong way. That's why most students end up having a strong accent. This ebook tells you about the biggest mistakes that you could be making right now and how to avoid them. There's so much in this program. Personalized plan with audio-video instructions, conscious preparations, subconscious programming. This is the most complete program out there for accent reduction and elimination. You'll get immediate access to an exclusive membership area where you can generate your personal plan, watch and listen to all the digital media, download them to your computer, upload them to your smartphone, or even copy them to a CD for your personal use. This can put you ahead by years or even decades when it comes to proper pronunciations and accent. Imagine the years and decades that you can lose opportunities or be embarrassed because of wrong pronunciations or bad accent. The impact of these audios on your life is immense. Make sure you listen to the instructions audio inside for important tips and instructions. When it comes to speaking English flawlessly and naturally, you have 3 options. You can do nothing and go through life missing great opportunities in your relationships and professional life by having a foreign accent and sounding unintelligent. You can struggle through years of tiring conventional practice, courses, and classes, and yet always be behind native English speakers. Or you can use a set of advanced audio sessions to shatter the glass ceiling, speak English flawlessly and naturally like a native speaker, and change your life forever. To learn more, check out below.